Sat Nam and welcome to the Feel Better Way. I'm Shiv. I'm here on Corona Del Mar Beach. Got a fire going. We're doing some filming, some next level Kundalini classes, and Samaj has decided we need more wood for the fire. So he's running back up the hill to get the wood, and I thought I'd come and give you a little full moon meditation for today. It is a full moon today. It was the equinox on Saturday. Some really powerful energies going on in and around us, asking us to drop bust through the paradigms and to drop the stories that have been keeping us stuck. Can you relate? I'll bet you can. So today I've got a great meditation for the Heart Chakra. And it's super simple. It's perfect to have the ocean and the fire and then the breath. I just recorded the next level Kundalini 11-minute meditation and my heart was already busting before we started. So I just have this few minutes break, and usually I've got Samaj behind the camera, but he's now gone. It's just me and you. And I thought, let's do this together. So, are you ready? All right. We're going to tune in. So come seated. You can either be seated cross-legged, easy style like me, or you can sit in a chair. It does not matter. Rub the palms of the hands together, close your eyes. Start connecting with the breath, breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose, taking in all the ambient sounds that are around you, and then the sounds that are around us. We've got the ocean, we've got the fire. We've also had a chainsaw and we've had trucks. It's all good. It's part of life going on around us. And we can find our peace wherever we are. That's the point of yoga. That's the point of meditation, that you can find peace wherever you are. Bend your thumbs, bring them in at the sternum. Press those palms together in prayer pose. Inhaling, lengthening the spine, lifting up the chest. Exhaling, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears, tilting the chin towards the chest, back of the neck nice and long, Jalandhara band. Eyes are closed, focus at the third eye, that is a little bit in and up from the eyebrows. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. Let's inhale to tune in. Ong Namo, Gurudev Namo. I call upon the creative consciousness within. I call upon the creative consciousness without. It's linking us to our teacher within and to the golden chain of teachers that went before us. Let's inhale. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Suspending the breath, relaxing the tongue from the upper palate, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Breath is suspended. Exhale. Swallow a couple of times, take a breath. We're going to go into Adgre Name, the protection mantra. Jugagre Name, Sakgre Name, Sri Gurudev E Name. This is linking us to the wisdom throughout all the ages and sages. Let's inhale to begin. Agre Name, Jugagre Name, Satgre Name, Sri Gurudev E Name. Agare Name, Jugagare Name, Satgare Name, Sri Gurudev E Name. Agare Name, Jugagare Name, Satgare Name, Siri Gurudev E Name. And inhale. Suspending the breath, relaxing the tongue from the upper palate. Chest lifted, chin tilted, back of the neck nice and long. And exhale. Take a couple of breaths here. Settling into the here and now. Bringing the hands down, flutter the eyelids open. So grateful that we can be in Corona Del Mar on the beach with my eyes closed and all the filming equipment around us. And it's okay. Thank you, Corona Del Mar. So let's get into the meditation for the heart chakra. We're going to come into Gyan Mudra, which is touch the thumb and index finger together, pressing them, and the other 3 fingers long and straight, elbows straight. Now, we don't have submerge for the timer, so I'm going to put on my timer. And like I said, we just filmed the next level Kundalini version of this. And if you're wondering how it's different, all this talking we've done up until now doesn't happen in the next level Kundalini. We come in, I'll say Satnam, I'm Shiv Charankar, I'm on Corona Del Mar Beach. Today this is your meditation. Let's come seated. We connect with the breath, we tune in, and we get into it. And then at the end, I say the prayer. We do long time sun, say the prayer, and we're out of there. So, and there's much more yoga and meditation, much less chat, and also assuming that you know what you're doing. You've done Kundalini before. So I'll let you know how to get a hold of that at the end, but this is the meditation we just recorded. It was amazing. You can't see the fire too much, but it is burning here. And close your eyes. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. And I'm going to set the timer. And we'll let Samaj tend to the fire. Samaj, that's fine if you want to come behind and tend to the fire. Are you ready? Let's go. Sitting up nice and tall. Oh, inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Eyes are closed. And whatever you can hear going on, allow that to all be part of the world moving around you. You cannot control the world, but you can control how you react to it. You can find your piece of peace wherever you are. Welcome home. It's okay to smile. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Truth is my identity. Eyes are closed, gazing down at the heart. And inhale. Gaze down at that beautiful heart of yours. See it so full of love, kindness, and compassion. Exhale. Inhale again. Suspend the breath. Exhale. Breathe naturally. Keep the eyes closed. Rub the palms of the hands together. Bend the thumbs. Bring them in at the sternum. Pressing the palms together. And let's do a long time sun. Let's inhale to begin. May the long time sun shine upon you. Ooh, love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your way on. Guide your way on. One long sat, one little nam. Sat nam. We give gratitude and blessings to be able to practice and share these teachings with you across continents and oceans and sometimes just down the road. May this meditation serve you well, and may this practice be dedicated to all sentient beings. May we all know peace, love and happiness. Sat Nam. And there you go. How was that for you? That was your heart-opening meditation. We're actually going to be doing a Kriya for Next Level Kundalini. That's the next video I'm about to record. And that is a 8-part fantastic Kriya to open up the heart chakra. Who doesn't need a little bit of that pie? So if you would like to get in on the Next Level Kundalini classes, there's 3 new classes every month, plus 1 live one with me. So that's actually 4 classes every month for $11 a month. You can sign up for that over at patreon.com/holla. You know, you don't just get the classes, but you get to be part of an amazing community, and you get to be part of some massive change going on in the world. It's all good stuff. I'm Shiv Charankar with the Feel Better Way. I love you so very much. We're here on Corona Del Mar Beach. This was the meditation for the heart chakra. I'll see you on the other side. Let me know down below. How was it for you? Sat Nam.